Hey, lovely people. Hey to my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, you know what's about to happen. So, I just recently, bought a Telfar bag from their fall collection. And I purchased it, I honestly think I purchased it the day it came. Like, no, the day it dropped. I don't even remember when I don't even remember when the bag dropped. I know it was around the time 2K24 dropped. So I'm so close. I know it was around the time 2K24 dropped. So I purchased it around that time. And it came pretty fast. It came on the 20th. So I already took a look at it. And this is my second one. I already took a look at it. I already know how it looked. But before I decided to want to wear it, I wanted to do the video, the unboxing video. So I'm about to show y'all what it's giving. So it comes, as you can see, in this box. I'm a little close. This flat box. All of them comes in this. Well, I'm not sure, but the ones I ordered so far, the medium ones comes in this flat box, and it's very discreet. So you won't know what's in here. And one thing I don't do, I don't get my packages shipped to my house. I get them shipped to my job, so I feel more safer, even with it being discreet. And I'm talking about more safer. I feel more comfortable with it being discreet and it's not getting shipped to my house, that nobody's down to take it, you know? So, as you can see, this is not the fake kind, the very authentic kind. It comes with this little dust bag. And I'm about to take it out so y'all can see the color. The color, y'all. The color is giving. I'll tell you that. The color is giving. I ain't gonna lie. Take it out so y'all can see. Hold on. I was trying to do a TikTok on this, but TikTok wasn't giving. It ain't coming out. Look. It's cream. I think this to keep it, the scent or something. Let me see. I don't know. This keep the scent or something. But as y'all can see, it look a little much. This is the medium one. It looks smaller than the original medium size. Or is it just me? Y'all can see it got the little tag on it. So let's excuse me. Let me show y'all. So when you open it, it's got the Telfar sign in the inside. As you can see, it's a pretty decent. I feel like this is smaller than my other one. Every time, let me tell you, I had a lavender one and it got stolen. That's a story to tell. But I told myself, when I get a new one, I'm getting 2 more. At this point, I think I need 5 more. Cause, excuse me. Cause, I need bags to carry. It's really, my work bag. You know, I use it for work. But I think I'm gonna get the duffel bag also. And a larger bag, so if I spend a night out, I ain't gotta take a old spend a night bag or a book bag with me. But whatever. But I feel like this, is it me? Do this look smaller? Y'all tell me. If you have a medium Telfar bag, or you purchase a new one, tell me if this looks smaller than the original size, because I may be, I may just be tripping, and I feel like I'm too close to the camera, but I look dark if I'm not. Get it to the scan. But anyway, it looks like this in the inside. I like the color, I'm not gonna lie. This is from the fall collection. It's giving fall. Y'all tell me. Hold on. Is this giving fall? Is it? Who knows? This is my personal review though. My personal opinion. Then it has a zipper. Sorry, I was watching a movie. It has a zipper and it's pretty deep, as you can see. So, let me see. This, I'm gonna compare it to the other one. And then this one. I don't know. Hold on. This, okay now, get it together. This. They about the same. Yeah. They about the same size. Get it together, girl. Get it together. Yeah, they about the same size. Honestly, I like it. I like it. So now I can switch them out. I got this one. And then you can carry it if you don't want to put it on your shoulder and let it give flawless for the girls. Carry it like this. Carry it like this. But for my girlies that don't like carrying a strap and be thinking they can take it off, it's not detachable. This is on there, baby. So you go either have to carry it like this or carry it like this. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all like this? Show y'all. Is it giving fall? I don't know. Is it giving fall? Hell no. What the song say? Telfeezy. It's a Telfeezy. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Telfeezy. It's a Telfeezy. Y'all can't see. Let me sit on the bed. I may be taller. Hold on. No shoulder. Hold on. Hold on. Yes. No, let me stop playing. I just want to give y'all my honest opinion. Oh, I feel like it's really not. It's cream though. So, matter of fact, it is. Because I wear cream colors in the fall. And this baby gotta go. It'll come back. This giving, hold on, is this giving fall too? What this giving to y'all? Okay, it ain't about you right now. It's about this baby. This is a beautiful color, y'all. Just get into the details of the color. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in the next video.